Do you know just how important tires are in getting the maximum performance from your car? Today we will talk about ultra-high performance tires and how they are specially built to handle your performance car's needs. Let's look at tire size. With cars capable of reaching higher speeds of 240 km per hour and more, equally powerful tires are needed. These are called ultra-high performance tires, with a speed index of W or Y. The tires are wider to adapt to the higher speeds and improve contact with the road. The rims have become bigger, while the sidewall size has gotten smaller to create room for larger brakes. The result is a lower ratio, which provides better handling and stability at higher speeds. Let's have a look at how ultra-high performance tires are built. Dunlop, a leading manufacturer of ultra-high performance tires, focuses on three key development areas: construction, compound, and tread pattern. Construction, meaning how the tire is built. Dunlop's special overlay improves the tire's contact with the road, especially at higher speeds, which leads to better handling, stability, and steering precision. Compound, the material the tire is made of. The composition of the Dunlop compound ensures the tire adapts to the surface of the road to provide better grip. Tread pattern, the design of the tire. Dunlop tires have carefully designed grooves and blocks for more rubber-to-road contact and increased stiffness for better grip and control of your car, and for shorter braking distances. So now you know how these tires are built to meet your performance car's needs.